Hello guys. I'm right here. There's somebody trying to because I need to make this public. Let me record this place for this PetroCam. What they do here, they will put 10,000 naira, assuming that you've asked them to put 10,000 naira. But when you now ask them to continue, they will continue from your 10,000 naira. Look at the guy here. I told him fill up my car. He went on to put 10,000 naira. He went on to put 10,000 naira, and at the end of the day, he continued from my 10,000 naira, and he gave me a bill of 43,000 naira. These guys are criminal right here. Look at the guy. Both of them are working together. You guys are going on social media. Look what he did. My bill was 30,000 naira, and he gave me. Where's your manager, please? You guys are stealing from people here. I told you of this criminal. Fill up my car. Then he put 10,000 naira. This guy stopped. He said, I thought you said 10,000 naira. He never knew I was watching, because this happened to me before. He never knew I was watching him. Then I said, no, I told you fill up my car. He continued from the 10,000 naira. Then, please, hold on. Hold on. Just, please. He continued from the 10,000 naira. The total amount was 30,000 naira. Bro, listen. Then he gave me a bill of 43,000 naira. And he continued from 10,000 naira. The total amount 30,000 naira. This guy wanted to scam me. This idiot. These criminals. You don't need these people here. You don't need these people here. Hello guys. I just wanted to report this here because I'm currently at PetroCam. As you all can see, PetroCam. I came to buy petrol on my car. Yeah, okay, you can put this inside. Let me open the door. Just hold on guys, because I need to. Yeah, I came to buy petrol on my car, and I have something to report. I came to buy petrol on this car here. So what happened was, these guys, they are very trickish. I told him to fill up the car, and he put 10,000 naira. He said, oh, I told you said 10,000 naira. Then everything becomes so suspicious. So what I did, I started monitoring them. Then he continued to fill up the car. He finished filling up the car. The total amount was 30,000 naira. Then he gave me a bill of 43,000 naira. Now, two of them, you know, but one of the two lied that he cancelled the previous 10,000 naira. You understand? That means my initial amount that now was 30,000 naira plus the 13,000 naira, I don't know, because the total amount they gave to me was 43,000 naira. You know, not knowing that he continued from that 10,000 naira that he put on before. So making it 43,000 naira. Then he gave me a bill of 43,000 naira, and the total amount they put on my car was 33,000 naira. I was monitoring them. So this is PetroCam. As you can see, both of their faces have been captured. I don't want innocent people to be on it. You know, this PetroCam is a big place here. I'm going to expose them on social media because a lot of Nigerians are facing a law, you know, here in Lagos.